Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share it and you can comment it as well. As don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paneer at home with the easy and simple steps. So paneer is known as the Indian cheese. So let's start. To make a paneer, here I am using two ingredients, which is milk and lemon juice. Here I am using 6 pints of milk, which is whole milk, but you can use a semi-skim milk, and you can use 4 pints or 6 pints, whichever. Accordingly, how much milk do you want to use, you can use that. And here I used 3 medium size of lemon. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to boil this milk. So let it boil. At the same time, you need to stir it. So it takes maybe 5 minutes to boil. And after that, I'm going to put lemon juice. So let's just wait for 5 minutes. You need to make sure that while it's boiling, you need to keep it stir it. So that in the bottoms the milk will not stick. This is how you need to keep moving. So it's nearly boiling. We just need to wait and keep stirring. Now started boiling, and after that you can lower your gas flame and start putting lemon juice and stir it. Slowly put a lemon juice and stir it. So as you can see, its water is separating. Now stir it. Like you can see that water is separated. So this is how it need to be. Okay, so it's done. Now next step I'm going to show you. So next step is take a strainer and just put it in the sink and use a cloth like this, and you're gonna pour all the water is coming up, and it's hot. You need to be careful at this time. So just wait for 1 minute to cool down. So now you can use your cold water and just put it all around. Make sure you will put the cold water. It will help to set the paneer, and need to be very careful at this time because it's a little bit hot, because we are using a cold water now, and you can squeeze it like this and use a cold water so that you will not burn yourself. And now you can turn off the tap and squeeze it. Make sure that all the water will come out. You have to do it really tight. It's tight like this. As you can see, it's very tight and all the water is coming out. And now all you need to do is put it here like this, and you can put one plate like on top of this and use a weight. I'm using a 3 kg of weight and put it on top of it. So if you have a stone or weight like this, which you can use for the exercise, and you can use that, or you can use a big stone, whatever you got in your house. So this is what I'm gonna put it and leave it for 2 hours to set it. So until 2 hours you're not gonna move anything. Leave it like this and we will see after 2 hours later. Okay, so it's been 2 hours. Let's see. Okay, so here is the paneer. It's soft and it's ready to use. So now you can use this paneer in your own favorite dish. So this is how it looks like. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for your time and see you next time. Bye bye.